feel about the microgreens. All right, guys, so we're going to start with our pot on medium-high heat, and we're going to add our dry sherry, get that to a little bit of a simmer, add our water, and then our rice wine vinegar, and then we're going to add in our maple syrup and our miso, and you're just going to cook that on medium-high heat until it's like starts simmering. The miso was really hard to get out, so I honestly just used my finger, and then as you can see, it's already kind of simmering, and we're just going to break all of that up, mix it all up in there, and then once it's all like even like this, we're going to let it simmer for 5 minutes. After that, we're going to put our cod in, and then I just did mine in layers, and then we're going to put our miso mixture on top of there. And you're going to let that sit and marinate for an hour. There was a different recipe I saw where they did it overnight, but I am not that patient. So I just did mine for an hour and it worked out perfectly fine. And then you're just going to broil it either in the oven or in the air fryer for 8 minutes at 300 degrees. Make sure that you get your mixture all over all of the cod. Otherwise, it's like pieces are obviously not going to taste correct. And then once you've done that and you've broiled it, it's going to look like this. I just put some microgreens on top and then put it on a bed of butternut squash, and that's it. That's pretty good. I don't like the microgreens with it, but the cod on its own. Anyways, bon appetit.